Only problem with this location is that the shore is, well, it's a bit swampy. Other than that, it's absolutely magnificent. Hopefully I can get some of that view in a drone shot. So we're hoping to go for a swim today in one of the lakes, but it's so cold and so windy that even standing outside requires gloves not to freeze to death. Dinus told me, but about the viewers, how many people will disappoint? Go for a swim.
You have to go for a swim.
I hate him.
Problem is that the entry to the water is quite difficult here.
Oh yeah.
And it's squishy, muddy.
Squishy AF.
It would be easier to just jump in, right?
Yeah, but
you can't do it.
The rocks are a bit for the glory, for the fans, for Narnia,
for the kingdom.
for the kingdom. Oh, it's so cold! Here for the kingdom. Right, I guess round 2. For the glory, for the fans, for the kingdom, for Narnia.
Go for it.
It was so damn cold that one tiny dip was enough to send us to maximum shiver mode. It was 7 degrees outside, water probably wasn't above that as well. Even our extensive session of jumping jacks didn't help much. Luckily everything was packed and only 2 jobs were left for us, to dress up and start walking. And to be fair, it wasn't that hard to do. Whatever sleepiness we had before was drowned in that lake, and with the views like that, we couldn't complain.
You're probably wondering why my hands are so, well, blue. That's because we found some blueberries. And you can probably guess what happened next. We'll get some supplies, we'll get some food, and probably just walk around Old Town a little bit, because tomorrow will be proper exploration of Edinburgh.
It's always fun to have some mini side quests during the road trip. This time it was to revive some random old PSP that we found and give in to nostalgia. Unfortunately.
So luckily for us, there was one student that literally just came around and he let us in to get our stuff. So it's weird because Amazon didn't warn us that it's behind closed doors. So Amazon, you need to do better. What?
Ethernet cable.
Amazon, remember when I told you that you need to do better? We got wrong package, addressed the wrong person in our locker, and we could access it? What? So apparently in here we can get deep fried Mars bars. Apparently it's Scottish thing. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Interesting. Deep fried Mars bars are amazing. Cheers. So you probably have heard that Scottish people like haggis. It's their national food, right? Well, and we found this. Smells alright.
A bit funny, but I don't know.
Cheers, Booth.
Cheers. It's nice.
Good, yeah.